Hello, creative people. Today is the day to unravel a mystery that many people have asked me. Are Faber-Castell Super Soft pencils as amazing as they seem? If you like today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. I've used these pencils a lot, and I'm going to reveal how the pigmentation behaves, if they last longer than an internet meme, and if the price is worth it. This is a complete review. Faber-Castell's Super Soft colored pencils are classified as a school product. They are recommended for children from 3 years old. Many users and experts consider these pencils to be semi-professional, as they deliver results close to professional pencils. Faber-Castell Super Soft colored pencils are available in different case options, varying in number of colors and types of packaging. I have here with me a case with 50 colors and another more complete one with 100 colors. The 50 color case comes in an acetate package, and the pencils are well attached to the package. The 100 color case comes in a rigid cardboard package. The packaging is very beautiful. When you open it, it doesn't even fit on the table because it's so big. When you open the box, the color number, manufacturer, and type of pencil are written on it. These are beautiful pencils and very different in their presentation. The manufacturer says that they are made with 100% reforested wood. The barrel is black, with only the back having pigmentation that indicates the color of the lead. The barrel has the manufacturer Faber-Castell, the Eco Super Soft brand, and the color number written on it. The lead is approximately 3 mm. It is a very light pencil. According to the manufacturer, the lead is durable, thanks to special gluing technology. The wood of the pencil is of good quality, making it easy to sharpen and allowing for fine tips for details. However, I noticed during use that because they are soft, they tend to wear out faster and need to be sharpened more frequently. I have already made a color chart for the pencil cases. Here is the color chart. This colored pencil has intense pigmentation and a huge variety of colors. The main feature is the lead, which is super soft. You can paint for hours without getting tired of your hand. It is a pencil with a round body, which rolls quite a bit on the table. It achieves an excellent variety of shades of the same color, ranging from the lightest to the darkest. It is very pigmented and releases easily on the paper. However, if you press harder on the pencil, it can wax the paper. Let's take a color mixing test. The softness of the lead makes it easy to mix the colors. Look how the blue and yellow mix together to form green. How many layers can it do? As we have seen, with just a few layers, it is possible to obtain homogeneous coverage without streak marks. But let's go to the extreme. It lasted 9 layers before waxing the paper. Let's test if it is watercolorable. No, it is not watercolorable. Time for the white pencil. The white pencil managed to blend despite being quite light. It managed to drag the pigment to the white area of the paper. Does it write on black and craft paper as the manufacturer claims? The pencils offer intense pigmentation, with vivid colors that stand out on both light and dark papers. This expands the creative possibilities, allowing work on different surfaces with great coverage. The white, usually weak, stands out because it is visible even on dark papers. The Super Soft pencil is more expensive than pencils in the same category, but this reflects the superior quality of this material. Let's do a practical test by coloring Bobby Good's book. I'll fix it here and be right back. What did I think of these pencils? They stand out for their softness, pigmentation, and ease of blending, being superior to most school pencils and even some competing artistic lines. The higher investment is compensated by the quality, especially for those looking for more professional or artistic results. It is ideal for both beginners and demanding artists. Have you used this colored pencil? Tell me in the comments what you thought. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other weekly videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time, and thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.